fine and staying at home, staying safe and following all the rules. You might be washing your hands regularly and you might be putting mask, you might be maintaining social distance, and of course you all might be staying at home. Okay, so you stay home and you stay safe. So staying at home is very necessary. Okay. Okay, so today we are going to take another lesson. The name of the lesson is Noses. And you are going to participate actively with me in all the activities. Okay, so which part of the body is this? We are going to study the different parts of the body. You have already studied in EVS. Okay, so what is this part of the body called? Head. Then you have, on your head you have your hair. Okay, so hair. Then you have your ears. Like we have now. So these are your ears. Then tongue. 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 Then your hands. Okay, you have your hands. Okay, then your foot. Okay, you have your foot. Then these are your fingers. You can see the fingers. You can see the fingers over here. See the fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. So these are your fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Okay, then this is your mouth. This is your mouth. This is your mouth. These are your eyes. You have two eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. And of course, this is your nose. Your nose, when you are small, your nose is also small. And as you grow, your nose becomes big and bigger and bigger. Then, nose is very important because you can smell also from your nose. And then, you can breathe also. Nose helps you in breathing also. Breathing is very necessary for life. If we stop breathing, then the life ends. So breathing is very necessary. Every day in the morning you have to take deep breath. So let's revise the spellings one. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Then you have H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Then F-O-T, foot. F-O-T, foot. Then you have your finger. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Okay, very good. So you all are very good students, isn't it? Now let's see. Okay, you can see the boy is laughing, isn't it? And we all should keep laughing. Okay, so these are the five senses. These are your five senses. With your eyes you can see, so sight. Okay, then ear. We have ears. Ear help us to hear. So these are the five senses that we are dealing with. First one was sight. S-I-G-H-T, sight. Second one is hear. Hear from your ear. Okay. So with your ear you hear. And with your eyes you see. So it is sight. Then the third one is your skin. With your skin you touch. Touch. So third is touch. Then the fourth one is with your mouth. You have inside your tongue you have taste buds. So with your taste buds you taste. So tongue helps you to taste. Then of course the most important one is smell. With your nose you smell things, okay? So nose helps you to smell, and nose also helps you in breathing. Breathing is very important. Out of all these 5 senses that we have discussed, smell and breathing especially is most important. We need to breathe to live. Okay, very good. Then, very good children. Okay, now let's see. We will now do some. Okay, so now we will do some breathing exercise. Let's do some breathing exercise. Okay, so the first one is your Alom Vilom that you do. So I'll do it and you are going to repeat it. We are going to do it 5 times. Okay? So from once you are going to take air from this nostril and then stop for a second, and then you are going to exhale air from the other nostril. Then you are going to close the other nostril and exhale air from the first one. Okay? We'll repeat it. Okay, like this you are going to do it 5 times. And another exercise, then let's see what are the benefits. Again, we are going to see why are deep breathing exercises good for your health? What are the benefits of deep breathing? First one is reducing stress. It reduces your stress. So, when you are very stressed, you should do a lot of yoga and we have to do a lot of exercise. Okay, now improving, second is it improves your posture. If you do deep breathing exercises, then it improves your posture. You sit straight and do it, so it improves your posture. Then the third one is increasing cardiovascular capacity. Your capacity of your heart. It increases the capacity of your heart. When you do a lot of exercise and yoga, then it strengthens your organ. Your organs become strong. Then it detoxifies the body. Detoxifying the body. So it detoxifies all the unnecessary items in your body. Okay, so detoxifying the body. Then improving digestion. It improves your digestion. Okay, your food digestion, it becomes better. Relieving pain naturally. If you have a lot of pain in your hands or in your back or at your back or in your legs, then it relieves your pain also. Okay, so this is very important, na? So we should do a lot of exercise. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, I hope you all will be doing a lot of exercise. Okay, now we'll do this exercise. Okay, what is this exercise? You take a lot of air inside and then you release it. Okay, so this also is one of the most important breathing exercise. It is also one of the most important breathing exercise and you should do it daily. Okay, very good. Then, okay, keep doing these exercises. Okay, now we'll start with our poem. Know this. First I'll recite the poem and you are going to listen and draw whatever you can draw. And you are going to recite with me also, okay? Okay, so we start with the poem. Okay, you are going to recite. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. At my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way my nose is the funniest thing, the way it grows.
My nose sticks out like a hammer. I looked in the mirror
And saw in there
the end of my chin
and the start of my hair. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair.
and
Between there isn't much space to spare. With my nose like a handle sticking
I
there.
looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing,
The way it grows.
It sticks out like a hammer.
Okay. Na, na, na.
Whenever you want
Ever you want to giggle and shout, I can't think of what to do it about.
Whenever you want to giggle
Giggle and shout, I can't think of what to do it about.
Just look
In the mirror and then no doubt,
you see how funny
your nose sticks out.
I looked in the mirror
I looked at my nose.
It's the funniest thing,
The way it grows. Okay, so now I'm going to recite this poem again and I'll be explaining you this poem and you're going to hear it nicely because after this we are having a listening comprehension exercise and you have to answer the question. Now this is a poem, its name is Noses and it has been written by Alan Fisher. Okay, what is the poet saying? Let's see. Okay, what is the poet saying? The poet is saying, I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. The poet is saying that she looked in the mirror and then she looked at his nose. So she looked in the mirror and she looked at his nose. Okay. Okay, very good. Very good class. Isn't it? Okay. So I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. So the poet is finding her nose very funny. Okay, the poet is saying it is the funniest thing, the way it grows. When you are small, your nose is small, and as you grow, your nose also grows long. So the poet finds that very funny. Okay, that the nose also grows long. Okay, it's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Okay. I looked again. The poet is saying the same thing. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. Then, it's the funniest thing, the way it grows. So, the poet is saying the same thing. The poet finds it very funny. The way the nose grows, the poet finds that very funny. Okay. So what? Okay, what is funny? Stuck right out where all of it shows. So the poet says that the nose is sticking right out. On your face, the nose sticks out. Okay, so stuck right out where all of it shows. With two little holes where the breathing goes. In your nose, you have two little holes. These are called nostrils. Okay. So from here you breathe. So the poet is saying with two little holes where the breathing goes. So breathing goes from. Okay. Now the poet is again saying, I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. The poet is saying, I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. Okay. Then what does the poet find now? Let's see. Okay. It's the funniest thing. Again the same thing. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Okay. Then now what the poet finds. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. You should be able to recite this poem after this. I looked in the mirror and saw in there. Now the poet is saying what else the poet has seen. Okay, let's see what the poet has seen now. The end of my chin the end of my chin and the start of my hair. Okay, between this you are having a nose. So the end of my chin and the start of my hair. The poet is describing where the nose is placed. Okay. Okay. I looked in the mirror and saw in there. Again, now what the poet is finding, let's see. The end of my chin and the start of my hair. Okay. And between there isn't much space to spare. The poet is saying between your chin and your hair, there is not. Between your hair and your chin, there isn't much space to spare. Okay. Okay. And between there isn't much space to spare. With my nose like a handle sticking there. So, like in a cup you have a handle now. So, like that on your face also nose is sticking like a handle. With my nose like a handle sticking there. Okay. Okay. So, I looked, again the poet is saying, I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. The same thing the poet is saying, okay? Okay, now what the poet is finding now, let's see. Next, what the poet is finding. You can see the girl, no? If ever you want to giggle and shout. What do you mean by giggle? Giggle means to laugh loudly, okay? So the poet is saying if you want to giggle and shout, if you want to shout or giggle, then what you should do? You have to just see your nose and you will. And can't think of what to do it about, and you are not able to think what to do now. Okay, so what you are going to do? If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt. So the poet is saying you have to just look in the mirror and then there is no doubt, okay? What will happen? Just look in the mirror and then no doubt. You will see how funny your nose sticks out. So you will find your nose sticks out in a funny manner. So you will see how funny the nose sticks out. Fill in the letters to complete the word. So now you are going to fill letters to complete these words. Okay. First one is M-R-R-R. So what are you going to fill? M. Yes, very good. M-I-R-R-O-R. So M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. Then the second one is F-U-I-E-T. So what will come? Yes, very good. F-U-N-N-I-E-S-T. So how is it pronounced? Funniest. F-U-N-N-I-E-S-T. Funniest. So first one was M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. Second one is F-U-N-N-I-E-S-T. Funniest. Now the third one. G-G-L-E. So what will come? G-I-G-G-L-E. So G-I-G-G-L-E, giggle. Okay. So G-I-G-G-L-E, giggle. Then the fourth one is S-I-C-I-N-. So what will come in these dashes? S-T-I-C-K-I-N-G. So what is it? Sticking. S-T-I-C-K-I-N-G. Sticking. Then the last one is, fifth one, B-R-E-T-I-N-G. So what will come? B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G. Okay, breathing. B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G. B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G. Let's revise it once. M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. F-U-N-N-I-E-S-T, funniest. G-I-G-G-L-E, giggle. S-T-I-C-K-I-N-G, sticking. B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G, breathing. Very good. Very good, children. Okay. They know the spellings. Very good. Okay. Now you all have gone through the poem, and it was written by, the poet was Alan Fisher. Very good. Okay. So now you are going to, based on that poem, you are going to now give the answers to these questions. This is a listening comprehension exercise. I have told you now, go through the poem nicely. Okay. So now you are going to give the answers. You are ready? Yes. Very good. Okay. So the first question is, after listening to the poem, answer the following questions. Okay. Who is the poet of the poem Noses? Yes, very good. Alan Fisher is the poet of the poem Noses. Very good. So who is the poet of the poem Noses? Alan Fisher is the poet of the poem Noses. Very good. And next, let's see the next question and see whether you all are able to answer. Okay. Now the second question is, why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? Why does the poet feel so? Why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? The answer is, the poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because of the way it grows. It grows longer and longer, na? So that's why the poet feels that the nose is a funny thing. The poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because of the way it grows. Okay, so the question was, why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? The answer is, the poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because of the way it grows. Okay, very good. Okay, so next question, who is going to answer? Yes. Are you all ready? Yes. So, now the third question is, why is a nose important for you? Why is nose important for you? I have told you now. So many times I have told you. Yes. A nose is important for us because it helps in breathing. Okay. So a nose is important for us because it helps in breathing. So the third question was, why is a nose important for you? Why is a nose important for you? The answer is, a nose is important for us because it helps in breathing. Very good. Next question, let's see. So are you all prepared? Yes, you all are prepared, I know. Okay. Does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? Does the child in the poem like her nose? Let's see. The child finds her nose funny. As she says, to look at the nose when you want to giggle and shout. So when you want to shout and giggle means you want to laugh aloud, you just look at your nose. So the child finds her nose funny. Okay. So does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? The child finds her nose funny. As she says, to look at the nose when you want to giggle and shout. Okay, very good. Now let's see some work to be done at home. Okay, you all love to do work at home, na? So let's see now what you are going to do. Homework. Using your imagination, draw the different shapes of nose you have come across. You might have seen different kinds of nose, some pointed, some round nose of different shapes. So you are going to draw those types of nose, different shapes of nose using your imagination. Then you are going to describe a few funny things you have seen. Do they make you laugh? You might have seen some funny things like a joker you might have seen or someone. So they make you all laugh. So such kind of things which make you laugh, you have to describe them. Okay. So this is your homework. I hope you are going to do it. And thirdly, one more homework. You are going to recite this poem and you are going to learn it up nicely. and you are going to revise all the question and answers and complete your work in your notebooks also. And I hope you will stay at home and you will stay safe. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me so quietly. Okay.